482.
That's 110710.
Yes, sir, and they have the car stopped at 10th and Grant. You might go by there first.
Oh, okay.
323 to 584. 55. Adam Young, 1955.
Okay.
23, we're at 10th and Grant waiting for a telephone.
You wish to tell nobody's ordered one yet?
I believe it was called on channel 1.
Okay, we have 482 coming out there for the hit and run. You might wait for him.
Will do.
Yes, sir, we're doing Southeast Court Fox Marion on possible fight.
Okay, 203. 482.
482.
And let us know if you'll be out on that.
Okay.
Your location again?
2 cars.
408.
408.
Yeah, that was 999 South Utica.
Yes, that's correct. Apparently a newer model station wagon, 3 male.